The way I cook this ground beef and potatoes is not your average way of cooking it. I've added a lot more vegetables for a lot more flavour. Do you want to learn how to do this? By the end of this video, you'll be saying to yourself, I can do this. Welcome to Delicious Cooking. My name is Alex and I love to cook. Why don't we get together and make food fun again?
Easy, delicious cooking for my family, for my...
Okay, the first thing we'll do is we'll start with the potatoes. We'll slice them up. And here's the potatoes all done. So now we'll start the cooking process. Mixing a pinch of pepper and let them cook. Keep mixing them so they don't get burned. We're almost done. Put some paprika in there. Let that cook a little bit. Give that a bit of a mix. Let's have a look at these potatoes. They're almost where I want them to be. They're not fully cooked, just about. We'll put the potatoes aside. I think they're just about ready. They'll finish cooking off in the sauce later. We'll start with the onions. The onions are prepared. I've got a carrot now. I'm going to wash this thoroughly. Give that a mix. Next thing we'll do is we'll add the mince. And we'll break this up. And keep breaking the mince until it starts to colour. Add some more salt. What I will do next is add the crushed garlic. Add a little bit of chili. Put the tomatoes in next. Cook the tomatoes for a couple of minutes. You can see it bubbling away. Put the temperature up even more. Add the beef stock. Get this to a boil, and then we'll simmer it for 10 plus minutes, and then we'll put it all together and finish cooking it off in the oven. A little bit of oregano. Drop the heat. Put the lid on. And we'll let that cook now for 10 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. The sauce looks ready, so just a quick taste. The potatoes are in this oven-proof dish. So now what we'll do is just pour the sauce over it. The cheese on top and then in the oven to go. So I'll get the sauce next. So there's the sauce. We'll put some tasty cheddar on top. That will now go in, I'll put the lid on it and that will go in the oven. Next time we'll see it, it'll be ready. I believe that adding leeks, onions, capsicums and carrots and garlic to this meal makes a huge difference to the final dish. So why don't you try cooking it? If not, store the recipe for future use. Anyway, thank you for watching, and till next time, bye for now. Alex. The way I cook this ground beef and potatoes, action. The way I cook this ground beef and potatoes is not your average way of cooking it. I've packed it with lots of flavour by adding a lot more vegetables to it. Do you want to learn how to do it? If you do, Welcome to Easy Delicious Cooking. My name is Alex and I love to cook. So why don't we get together and make food fun again?
Easy, delicious cooking for my family, for my friends. Always happy, always laughter. Let's get together for a meal tonight.